Hello, I hope you are here because you were going to join me for a CAP workshop. If so, I want to show you where the instructions are. Come to my blog, capalog.blog, CAPALOG.blog. The pattern is right here. This is a very long blog entry that describes the pattern and how to put it together and shows you pictures and very detailed. If you printed it off, it would be about 45 pages, if I remember correctly. But it's all here virtually. It's free. It's available to everybody. There was a need for this pattern because there wasn't a commercial pattern for the simple, most common 18th century lappette with the ruffle that is almost not gathered around the face that you see in so many portraits. So I made one. I took about 5 of the caps that I had seen, extant caps, and made sort of a generalization between them. And this is what I came up with. The pattern is right here. And you print it off. You have to make sure that what says this has a 1-inch square thing on it. Make sure it is a 1-inch square. Then it will be the right size. And you'll want to print that off and be ready, and then have your materials gathered. Pretty simple list. You need about a ½ yard of really fine white linen, about 12 inches of very skinny white cotton tape, and some needles and threads. It's just about that easy. You cannot make an 18th century cap on a machine. It has to be hand sewn to be historically accurate because there's no way you can hide the stitches like you can on the inside of the skirt seam or something. I recommend that you go ahead and try to cut it out so that when we get together, you're just about here, right before you start to sew. If you could get that far, it'd be grand. I understand if you have questions and you can't get that far. We'll take it as we get it when we get there. I really look forward to working with you, making a cap and answering your questions and getting together. See you soon.